Welcome to AI Beat, your weekly pulse on the latest in artificial intelligence and innovation. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter for the freshest insights delivered straight to your inbox. Now, let's dive into the most compelling AI trends shaping 2025. This week's headlines reveal a landscape where AI is transforming science, industry, and society at a remarkable pace. Let's start with a story from Berkeley Lab. They're harnessing AI and automation to supercharge scientific discovery. Imagine real-time machine learning models that optimize experiments and analyze data instantly. This isn't just incremental progress. It's a leap toward accelerating breakthroughs, reducing research cycles from years to months or even weeks. The message here is clear. AI-driven automation is not just a tool, but a catalyst for scientific innovation. Meanwhile, in the realm of multimodal AI, researchers unveiled OneCat, a unified model that understands, generates, and edits both images and text seamlessly. Think of it as a bridge connecting visual and linguistic intelligence, enabling more natural, intuitive interactions with AI. This development is setting new standards for creative applications and complex analytical tasks, where understanding context across different media is crucial. Safety remains a top concern, and researchers at UCR have made strides in fortifying AI models against internal threats. Their approach allows models to be retrained for robustness, preventing malicious rewiring or prompt-based attacks that could compromise AI behavior. As AI systems become more embedded in critical infrastructure, ensuring their security and reliability is essential. The signal here is that AI safety is advancing to keep pace with increasingly sophisticated threats. On the global stage, the European Union's General Court upheld the US-EU data privacy framework, allowing transatlantic data flows to continue under new privacy protections. This decision reassures businesses and researchers that cross-border collaboration remains viable while respecting privacy, an important foundation for international AI innovation. Investments continue to pour into AI-powered compliance and marketing. Ketrix closed a $39 million Series B to expand its compliance platform, reflecting growing demand for trustworthy AI in regulated sectors like healthcare and finance. Similarly, Accenture's acquisition of Momentum ABM boosts its enterprise AI marketing capabilities, enabling more targeted, data-driven campaigns. These moves highlight how AI is reshaping enterprise operations, making them more efficient and customer-centric. Supporting this shift is Deloitte's launch of a global AI infrastructure center of excellence. Building enterprise-grade AI data centers at scale, Deloitte aims to foster worldwide innovation. It's a reminder that robust, scalable infrastructure is the backbone of widespread AI adoption. In healthcare, Mount Sinai researchers introduced Aequity, an AI tool designed to identify and reduce bias in medical datasets. As AI becomes integral to clinical decision-making, fairness and equity are paramount. Tools like Aequity are critical steps toward building trustworthy healthcare AI that benefits all patients equally. The conversation around synthetic data also took a thoughtful turn. The University of York is exploring the ethical and societal implications of using synthetic data to train AI models. As synthetic data offers privacy advantages and data diversity, understanding its transparency and accountability issues is vital for responsible AI development. Finally, Recall.ai secured $38 million to expand its conversation AI platform. Their focus on enterprise communication analytics, like meeting recordings and chat data, illustrates how AI is becoming central to understanding and improving business interactions, driving efficiency and insights. All these stories reflect a broader trend. AI is no longer a niche technology. It's embedding itself into every facet of our lives, from scientific discovery and healthcare to global data privacy and enterprise operations. The pace of innovation is accelerating, and staying informed is more important than ever. Thanks for tuning in. Which of these trends do you believe will have the biggest impact in the coming year? Share your thoughts and stay curious. Until next time.